Sağolashlar, yaxshimisizlar? Bizningki shu yangi o'quv ingliz tili darsi ikkinchi qism 4-darsga kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Endi bugun shu 4-dars an exciting trip degan darsni o'rganmoqchi. Xo'sh, aniqda qaranglar. Okay, do you know this? Where is this? Okay, where is it? Sizlarni bu narsa hozir bu nima qarayapsiz? Bu albatta nima desanglar? Australia. Shunaqa? Australia. Okay, what about this? This one is Australian flag. The Australian name is bayraqi. Australian flag. What about this? Okay, this animal is also very famous in Australia. Okay, Australia, also in Australia is famous for this animal. And Australia, hayvan uchun qanday sanaladi? Aniqmi? Bu nima? Kangaroos. Okay, kangaroos. Okay, ans qarab baqinglar, Avstraliyada nima aniqlik saqlashlar? Masalan, biz bilgan nima? Okay, sheep, right? Birga kangaroodan boshqa yana nima desanglar, qo'ylar intayin anglashnami? So, before starting our class, let me ask, one question. If you go to Australia, if you go there, talk about some things you can do or you prefer to do. Okay, and start agar sizlar shu Avstraliyaga berib qolsanglar, sizlar ashara o'zingizlar qilaoladigan ham qilishni xohlaydigan, qilishni bekrak xohlaydigan ishlarni bilinglar. Sizlar esa nima ish qila olasizlar yana? Nima ish qilishni bekrak xohlaysizlar. Okay, endi men prefer to do something degan bekrak xohlamak, bekrak qilishni o'ylamak degan gap, qingshima degan gap. What prefer to do something? So, what kind of things do you prefer to do? Can you talk about? Look, such as maybe you can see some kangaroos, right? Good, kangaroos. Okay, what about these? These small animals, koalas. Okay, and the koalas, things. Okay, one of the kinchina. Maybe you can go to the market. All right. Market, balkim bu yerga Avstraliyaga borsanlar, nurg'un bozorlarni cho'g'laylaysizlarmi savolashlar. So you can go to market, and also you can see or you can ride camels. Okay, and Australiyada yana nima qila olasizlar desanlar, bu shu tuglarni mina olasizlar. Shunaqa. You can ride camels. All right, also you can go to a beautiful beach and then enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the scenery, right? Agar berib qolsanglar yana dengiz soyiliga borib, dengiz soyilida saf quyosh nuridan, fresh air, saf havodan qanday qila olasizlar? Go'zal manzaralardan o'zini olasizlar. Demak, hamda market, bozor, camels, tugash nima? Beach, demak, beach deganimiz hamda dengiz soyili. All right. Qaranglar, ma bo'lsa Avstraliyaninki hamda bir xaritasi. Okay, endi buningdagi o'rinlarga qarab baqinglar. Ma o'ttirdagi ya'ni Alice Spring endi ma chetdagi Perth. Okay. Buningdagi so'rab baqay valla bir xarita tushunamizlar. Odatda mana shunday xaritaninki eng usti taraf qaysi taraf bo'ldi? Kimda boqadi? Xaritaning usti taraf. Odatda xaritaning usti taraf qaysi taraf bo'ldi? Kimda boqadi? Anyone? Xaritaning usti taraf qaysi bo'ldi? Shimol. North. Shunami? Undan keyin sol tarafchi. Okay. Mush xaritaninki masalan usti nim bo'ldi desanglar, shimol bo'lsa, ma'tarbi g'arb, sharq, tegini marsal janub bo'ldi. Demakchi, Perth deganimiz qaysi tarafga joylashgan? G'arb tarafga. Shunaqa, g'arb tarafga. Okay, undan keyin Darwin, okay? And Darwin shimol tarafga joylashgan, shunaqa. And Alice Spring degan asosda in the middle of Australia, yoki in the center of, shunaqa. All right. So let's learn some new words for today's class. Okay, first one is exciting. Ma'no qanday qilib qilamiz? Bo'lgan nima? Exciting. Exciting degende mushu degenge urg'uchida exciting. Okay, and exciting deganimiz making you feel excited. Excited. Okay, look. That would be, you know, really exciting match, right? And I think what exciting match it is! Oh, yo, nime degen kishini ayajanga saladigan musobaqa bu. Musobaqa bu. Tushunami? Okay, look at another example. You know, she told me an exciting news. U menga bir adamni ayajanga saladigan nimen debtari xabarini dedi. Xabarini dedi. Exciting kishini ayajanga saladigan. Tushunami? And we saw an exciting film on television last evening. Okay? Biz tunugun qanaqa qildik? Turgan ket shu adamni ayajanga saladigan, kishini ayajanga saladigan bir kino ko'rdik televizorda. Okay? Yana ko'rsanglar, that's why this is so exciting. Onun nima uchun shuncha kishini ayajanga saladiganligining sababi shu. That is why. And the King's Jerusalem, the most exciting traveling experience for me is seeing the panda. Okay, seeing panda. And demek ki, men eng ayajanga saldırılgan bu şu sayahat sergüzeşti bolsa, keçirmiş bolsa men üçün demek sanla müşke yaqını ko'rash. Endi sadoshlar müşariki şu exciting deymiz kishini ayajanga salgan. Odatda mush birinchi dars o'rgandik. Keyingi ayinga qatilgan sifatlar ko'pincha narslarni sifatlash ishlatiladi, tushunami? Kishini ayog'iga solingan, masalan, match. And I'm excited bo'lsa, matagidagi excited bo'lsa, bu kishini ayog'iga solmoq, bu odamlarga ishlatiladi. Masalan, this match was so exciting. And I was so excited. And I was exciting desa bo'lmaydi. Agar ma exciting ne odamlarga ishlatib qolib qolsanlar, odamniki xarakter mijozini olayligini ifodalash to'g'ri keladi. Shunga mushaga excited iri qatilgan shakli nimaga ishlatiladi desanlar, odatda iri qatilgan shakli shu ko'pincha odamlarga ishlatiladi. Masalan, I am excited, tushunami? Masalan, I was interested in this book and this book was interesting. Tushunami? Interesting. Shunga o'xshash. Next one is receive. Okay, receive. Do you know receive? Okay, you receive means like you can receive a present. Okay, you can receive a letter, right? Okay, look at this. These guys so lovely, you know. Okay, a girl received a gift from a boy. You know, receive something from somebody. Receive something from somebody. Okay, for example, I received a gift from my friend yesterday. Men tunugun dostumdan bir parcha, bir sovg'at topshirib oldim. Tushunami? Receive a gift from. Ma'lum bir kishidan ma'lum narsani topshirib olish deganni receive something from somebody deymiz. Ham seni qarab olinglar. So, when did you receive that letter? Okay. So when did you receive that letter? Siz u xatni qachon topshirib oldingiz? Tushunami? Okay. Yana bir qarab olsa, I didn't receive your message. Men sizningki uchuringizni topshirib olmadim. So did you receive any letter today? Bugun biror xatchak topshirib oldingizmi? Okay, the best way to receive love is to give it. And mush muhabbatga erishishninki eng yaxshi usuli ona qanday qilish, ata qilish deymiz bu. A very beautiful sentence. The best way to receive, the best way eng yaxshi usuli to receive love, muhabbatga erishishninki to give it. Ona berish yoki ona ata qilish. Okay, just remember, you know, the best way to receive love is to give it. Remember, give it. Okay, next one is firm. Okay, next one is firm. Okay, firm degan so'z nima? Firm means a company. Nima? Bir shirkat. Shirkat nima deymiz? Firm deymiz. For example, this is a well-known firm. Okay, bu bo'lsa bir intayin dangliq nima shirkat. Demakchi bu bo'lsa intayin nomi chiqqan shirkat, tushunami? Okay. Another example, You know, he's working for a big company, okay? Also, you can say he's working for a big firm. O bir intayin cho'ng shirkatga ishlaydi. Okay, endi men yerga work for okay, company. Demakchi, bu shu ben shirkat uchun ishlaydi, ya shu shirkat ishlash degan gap, ham yana. Okay, masalan, he established his own firm. Okay, yoki he has set up a firm of his own. Endi bu yerda ifodaliganda qaranglar. Birinchi establish degan bir xil rasmiy ishlatilishini ama yoki you can say set up. Yani he has set up a firm of his own bilan his own firm qanaqasan o'xshashmish yara. Of his own. Now yoki his own firm. Okay. Another example, you know, I'm speaking for all workers in this firm. Nima desanlar? Men bu shu shirkatga hammalarga qanaqa qilyapman? So'zlayapman. You know, his unfortunate death was a great loss to the firm. Onunki unfortunate naiti baxtga qarshi o'lib ketishi, baxtga qarshi o'limi bu shirkat uchun intayin zo'r bir yo'qotish bo'ldi. Shunami? Great loss. Cho'ng bir yo'qotish. Unfortunate degancha, unfortunate deganimiz naiti baxtga qarshi. You know, we worked as an intern in that firm last summer. Biz o'tgan yozda bu shirkatda praktikant bo'lib qanday qildik? Ish qildik. Work as an intern. Okay, intern deganimiz ham shu internship mi deymiz o'z holida. Praktik qilmoq. Okay, and the intern bir praktikant sifatida qanday qilib ishlabdi. Xo'sh, next one is they have received in this firm for they have worked in this firm for 10 years. Okay, ular bu shirkatda ishlagani 10 yil bo'ldi. Okay, worked for 10 years. And mush bir shirkatda 10 yil ishlash, yana bir shirkatni 10 yil ma'ng'o'zishma qanday desanlar, oson ish emas bo'ldi. This one is a different. Okay, look, this one is different. Farqli degan gap, you know? Not the same. Okay, look at this. Look at these shapes. And bular farqliqmi? Nari farqli ekan? Farqida biqinmi qo'yilniki? Yeah, birisi there's a red point on the skin, nima? Birisining terisida qizil rang bir nima ekan go. Okay, what about these? Okay, they are also different. Ular mana desanlar, birisi qahva rang ekan, birisi oq rang ekan, nima? They are different. Demak ham bular nima desanlar, different. They are different. You know, their system is different to users. And then imagine, ularning systemi ise qanday desanlar, shu bizniki, ours users deb qo'yibmi? You know, different to ours. Bizniki qanday desanlar farqlandi. O'xshamaydi demakchi. You know, reading and writing are different skills. O'qishliq va yoziqchilik bo'lsa bir o'xshamaydigan bir usul. O'xshamaydigan. Shu different. And then imagine the dog is different from the two dogs. And the bu ilqishit qavash kishdan qanday desanlar farqli. Demakki mishari different from yoki different something nima desanlar shu farqli, not the same. And yana bir ifodalash bor. Oni desanlar be like chalk and cheese. Okay? It's like chalk and cheese. U xuddi bo'ri bilan pishloq o'xshaydi u. Masalan, deylik. Masalan, ma'lum narsa naytda farqli deganda shu chalk and cheese. Okay? Masalan, learning English and teaching are like chalk and cheese. İngilisce öğreniş bilen o'qitish nimasi bu qanday desanlar, xuddi hamda nimaga o'xshaydi? Bo'ri bilan nimaga o'xshaydi bolalar? Pishloq o'xshaydi. Garchi uning rangi va banasal o'xshab qolgan bilan, lekin nima ikkisi o'xshamaydigan ish demakchi, farqliq degan gap. Masalan, learning English is one thing and teaching is another. Demakchi, ingliz o'rganishligi bir ish, Lekin hamda onu o'tish yana bir ish. Demek endi mishara farqliq demakchi u anda. Farqliq degani different, ya'ni nima? Masalan, chalk and cheese demakchi bunday ifodalashlarni IELTS imtihonida ishlatiladi bo'ladi. Numeralni xili yuqorilar. Nima desanlar? This kind of idiomatic expression deymiz, idiomlik ifodalash. Snabu? They are like chalk and yak mushning o'xshatishni ishlatiladi, numeralni yuqori bo'ladi. Okay. Look at this picture. Mana resim qarab bakinglar. Bularning farqi bor ekan, kim deb baqadi? Okay. Find the difference. And we have a difference in this part. Kim te bakalo? Te bakallık mukafat bacıma? Anybody? Okay. Okay, you know, find the difference. Okay, we know farkını tep çıkın. Mesela bir farkını tep buraya. Bir farkını mı arasınlar? Bir oyunun morusu varken, bir oyunun morusu yokken. Şuna mı? Okay. Okay, is there any differences? Is there any difference here? Bir yerde fark var. So can you find a difference between two pictures? Bana resim oldu. Bu iki resim arasında farkını tapalamsız. Can you find a difference? Okay, no difference. Okay, if you say, I couldn't find any difference. No difference. O hiç kadar fark yokken go. Demek ki okşaşken mi? No difference, right? Okay, and about different, then karansanlar mesela be different from. Yani A is different from B. Demek ki A ile B okşamaydı. Yani A is different to B. Yani A ile B okşamaydı. Mesela A is yani B birleşti ama different than mesela manada karansanlar farklı. Demek ki bu şu üç kılıç bağlaş. And bir yerde different isim şeklindeki kanda söz birikmeleri var sanlar. Mesela karanlar. All the difference, but all the difference in time. Çok fark düşünüyorum. Make a great difference. Make a great difference. Yani çok bir fark asıl kılmak olsun. Make a great difference. Okay, yeah, you did a great difference. Siz xil çok fark asıl kıldınız mı? Mesela öğünüşte qattiq tirishib mesela burun qirg'andan çok ilgirlagan bo'lsa, hey, you made a really great difference, huh? Tamam. Okay, endi qaranglar. The censure. Okay, endi bu censure degan so'z hamda Amerika inglizchasini yozilishi o'xshamaydi. American qanday desanglar, censure hamda bu center, shunami British. So a censure means the middle point or a part. Demek ki ne otursa merkeze şunama. Mesela the pool is the center of the park. And bu kölçek mu şu park'nınki, bahçeninki nerede ne otursa. Mesela Gay Language Training Center, biz gayet dil terbiyeleş merkezdeyimiz ki muşnun merkez center. Okay. Okay, and which stop is nearest to the center building? Okay, and that mushu qaysi bekat, mushu avtobuslarniki bilan to'xtab o'tgan bekatda eng yaqin. Okay, mushu markaziy binoga yaqin deydi. Okay, how much is the bus fare to the city center? Okay, mushu shahar markaziga boradigan avtobusninki bilet qancha pul deydi? Bus fare degan shu bilet. Okay, yani he moved to table or to center of the room. Okay, and then mesela o tables'ini üstülerini mushu o'yinin o'ttirsa qanaqa qildi? Yetkili center. Demak, middle of degan gap qo'yadi, the center degan mesela. Okay, next one, abroad. Okay, abroad. Vallahi yani ki AB deganimiz mesela nima desanglar, A davlatdan B davlatga boradigan yo'l orqali chiqsangiz nega borsizlar? Shu chet elga chiqsa shunaqmi? Adan B'ga. Demak, abroad deganimiz nima? Chet el. Okay. Foreign country deb qo'yamiz. The man has never been abroad before. The man has never been abroad before. Adam azaldan nega berib boqmagan, chet elga chiqib boqmagan. Okay. But if I lose my job, I shall go abroad. Agar men xizmatimda ayrilib qolsam, nima ish qilaman? Chet elga chiqaman. chet elga chiqma. Okay, he went abroad with his parents. And the only man, uydagilar bilan birga nega chiqdi? Chet elga chiqdi. You know, I often send emails to my friend who are abroad. Okay, men doim shu chet eldagi do'stlarimga nima qilman? Xat yozaman. Yana somebody are abroad bo'lsa chet elda shunami? Okay. He stayed abroad for several years. U chet elda bir necha yil qanday qilgan? Turgan. Okay, sağolashlar. Hamma shu so'zlik mushagicha olsun. Shu so'zlikni yaxshi takror qilaman. All right, let's look at the text. Amsa text qaranglar sağolashlar. Andaqda avval shu tekstdagi muhim bir nuqtalarni qanday desanglar, bir anglanglar. Ana anglash qismini anglab o'tgandan keyin, undan bu shu tekstni birdan-birdan bir mashq qilsak. Qana?
Lesson 4. An exciting trip. First listen and then answer the question. Why is Tim finding this trip exciting? I have just received a letter from my brother, Tim. He is in Australia. He has been there for 6 months. Tim is an engineer. He is working for a big firm and he has already visited a great number of different places in Australia. He has just bought an Australian car and has gone to Alice Springs, a small town in the center of Australia. He will soon visit Darwin. From there, he will fly to Perth. My brother has never been abroad before, so he is finding this trip very exciting.
All right, guys, have you finished? Sağolashlarni anglab oldinglarmi? Andaqda tekst qarab baqayli. Okay. I have just received a letter from my brother Tim. Okay, I have just been yaqindalam yoki obaylam taqa. Nima? Men o'zimniki inisi yoki aksi Timdan bir parcha xat topshirib oldim. Shunami? He is in Australia. Australia. He's in Australia. And he has been there for 6 months. Okay. Tim is an engineer. Tim is an engineer. He is working for a big firm and he has already visited great number of different places in Australia. Okay, and the miyara o cho'ng shirkatga ishligini qanday bo'ldi? Bir cho'ng shirkatda ishlayotdi hamda u nurg'un o'xshamagan yerlarni Avstraliyadagi ziyorat qilib bo'ldi, sayohat qilib bo'ldi. Okay? Qarab baqsaq nima? He has just bought an Australian car and has gone to Alice Springs. Okay? U yaqinda bir Australiyaning mashinasini sotib oldi and has gone to Alice Springs. Shu Alice Springs ga qanday desanglar? Ketdi. Okay. A small town in the central Australia. And the yerga Alice Springs deganimiz hamda Australiyaning o'ttirsidagi bir kichik nima desanglar? Town degan bigger than village but smaller than city. Demakchi yiz bozor degan gapchi. And he will soon visit Darwin. Okay? U pat yaqinda Darwinni sayohat qilmoqchi, ziyorat qilmoqchi. From there he will fly to Perth. Ashiyadan u Perth ga qanday qilmoqchi? Uchib bormoqchi. Perthga uchib bormoqchi. Yet my brother has never been abroad before. Mening bu inim yoki akam azaldan qanday qilib boqmagan desanglar, chet elga chiqib boqmagan. Ilgari chet elga chiqib boqmagan. So, he is finding this trip very exciting. Okay? Shunga u bu sayohatni nihoyatda vahshiy, hayajonlanarli his qilib tashnami? He is finding this trip very exciting. Amsa qarab baqinglar xaritiga. Sağolashlar, amsa bu bunda xaritga qarab baqsaq, boshda nima deydi? You know, he has gone to Alice Springs deydi. Endi u ne ketibdi? Alice Spring. Alice Spring deganimizda shu center of Australia. Australiyaning o'ttirisiga, shunami? A small town in the center of Australia. And that he will fly to naga? Aeroplan uchib, he will fly to Darwin. Darwin degan north of Australia, shunami? And after yana from there, Australian, he will go to naga? He will go to Perth. Oh, he will fly to Perth. And Perthga uchib bormoqchi ekan. Demakchi, endi misharin hamda hozir Alice Spring ekan, undan keyin Darwinga bormoqchi ekan, Darwindan uchib nega kelmoqchi ekan? Perth uchib kelmoqchi ekan. Alright. Anaqa shu bugungi darsimizdagi bir necha grammar focusga qarab boqamiz bolalar. Okay. The first one is subject have, has, and then past participle. Bu nima desan hozirgi bitgan zaman. Odatda shandaman chanda qo'yamiz-ku. Xo'sh, endi shandaman chanda ma aniqlamasiz bir aniqlam bir o'ta shandaman chanda degan nima? Okay. Shandaman chanda degan ilgirki ma'lum bir vaqtda yuz bergan hamda hozircha shuningki hozirgi qanday ta'siri va balki hozirgi davomlashib kelgan bir ish harakatlarni odatda shandaman chanda deymiz. Odatda masalan I have had breakfast. Men nashta qilib bo'ldim. Demak, nashta qilib bo'ldim, endi hozir qanday ta'siri bor? Nashta qilib bo'lgandan keyin hozir nima desam, tomoqdagi qo'sqimda. Qo'sqim ochmidi. Endi yana tomoq yeyishimdan nimasi yo'q, hojati yo'q. Tushundingmi? Yana I have had breakfast. Masalan, I have washed my hands. Qo'limni yuvib bo'ldim. Endi men hozir bo'lgan ta'siri nima desam, hozir qo'limni pokiz, yana yuvishimdan nimasi hojati yo'q. Okay, and I washed my hands. And bu hozir bilan qanday qat'iy munosabat yo'q. Hozir pokizmi yoki pokiz emasmi qanday desanlar, bu aniq emas, shunami? Odatda shandaman hozirgi bitgan zaman bizga nima ta'kidlaydi desanlar, hozirgi bo'lgan ma'lum bir natija. Tushundingmi? Hozirgi bir natija. Endi o'tgan zaman degan shu desanlar, o'tgan zaman shu o'tib ketgan, shu hozir bilan cho'ng qanday desanlar, munosabat yo'q. Munosabat yo'q. Undan keyin yana bir muhim narsa nima desanlar, miyada. Masalan, bir ikki jumla solishtirib qo'yinglar. Masalan, okay. Masalan, he has been here since 2005. Okay, endi bu mishar he has lived here. Okay. Onun bu 2015-yildan buyon bu shart bo'ladi. Demak, he has lived. Demak, shandaman chanda hozir bo'lgan darsda nima desanlar, u textcha hozir mishara. And he lived here since 2005. Bu nima desanlar, o 2015-yilda buyon tug'andi. Endi o'tgan zaman nima desanlar, hozir yo'q. Yoki nima desanlar, u odam ulab ketdi yoki ko'chab ketdi, ish qilmishadi, yo'qligini bildirdi. Tushundingmi? Xo'sh, hamsa tafsiliy mazmunni qaranglar. Masalan, Lucy has bought 2 books. Okay, yoki nima? Has just bought 2 books. Endi bu yerga just degan nima desanlar, yaqinda obaylar degandek ma'nolar bor. Okay. Masalan, o'sha sanavachanga birga kelgan, o'sha endi yaqin kelgusida, o'sha yaqinda obaylar masalan o'shunda yuz bergan ishlarga nima just nish bog'laymiz. Masalan, they have just returned the book to the library. Okay. O'taqi obaylar bu kitoblarni kutubxonaga qanday qilibdi, qaytarib etdi. They have just returned the books to the library. Nima? Okay. And the king is saying already, yet, recently. And the mavchiniki shiltilishi. Masalan, already deganimiz hamda ko'pincha kanding jumlalar ishiltildi. Demakchi, bo'lishliq jumlalar. Masalan, I have already finished my homework. Okay. Odatda shu fe'lni already keldi. I have already finished my homework. Endi bu yerda following jo'yligi nima keladi? Sanlar yet keladi demak. Masalan, I haven't finished my homework yet. Men textcha qanday qilmadim? Topshiriqimni ishlab bo'lolmadim. I haven't finished my homework yet. Tushunami? All right. Anaqa masalan, have been to bilan have gone to ning farqi bor. Ilgari bir qadam so'zlagan have been to degan bir yak berib, oldinroq qaytib keldi, tushunami? Have gone to degan ketdi, qaytib kelmadi. Masalan, he has gone to New York. Demakchi, u New York ketdi. Demakchi, ya ketish yo'lida yoki shu New Yorkda qaytib kelmadi. And he has been to New York bo'lsa, berib kelib bo'lgan. So where have you been? Okay, where have you been? So naked things. Where have you been? Snag berib baqdingiz, nima? I've been to Japan. Ama Yaponiyaga berib qolgan. Demakchi, hozir nima desam, qaytib kelib bo'ldi. Hey, where is Tom? Bo'lsa, he has gone to Japan. U Yaponiyaga ketdi. Demakchi, hozir bu narikan Yaponiyaga ketdi. Texi qaytib kelmabdi, shunami? He has gone to Japan. Okay. Next one is I have sold my new car. Okay. Men yangi mashinamni qanday qilib etdim? Setib etdim. Okay. Demek yo'q hozir. Natijasi nima? Sizda mashina yo'q, shunami? She has cut her hair. Demakchi, u chechini yasatdi. Demakchi, cheche hozir burunqidek uzun emas, yoki nima emas, shunami? Have you met him before? Siz uni bilan ko'rishib baqqanmi? Siz ularga ko'rishib baqqanmisiz? I have not read this book yet. Men textcha bu kitobni qanday qilib o'qib baqmadim. Demakchi, endi shu bizga bir natijani topadi, sog'lash qaranglar. Okay. Okay, and I receive something from somebody. Ma'lum bir kishidan ma'lum narsani topshirib olmoq, shunami? Okay, masalan, he has just received a letter from Jim. O yaqindalam, yoki abaylam Jimdan bir parcha xat topshirib oldi. Endi mishari have received bilan yana nima get yoki have a letter degan ma'noda asosiy o'xshash. Masalan, nima dersanglar? He has just got or he has just had a letter from Jim. Jimdan nima topshirib oldi. And hear from somebody. Endi yana o'xshash yana nima dersanglar? Hear from something. Okay, endi mushu hear from somebody ma'lum bir kishidan qanday xatchek topshirib olishni hear from somebody deymiz. Masalan, he had just heard from Jim. And u by Jimdan bir narsa only emas, nima dersanglar? Jimdan bir parcha yoki Jimdan xat topshirib oldi degan gap. Demak, bolalar masalan receive somebody from something. Oh, sorry. Receive something from somebody. Yoki get or have letter from somebody or hear from somebody deganda o'xshashlar nima? Xatni birsidan topshirib olishni shunda deb ifodalaymiz. Mushu grammatikani o'qimiz qaranglar. A great number of. Okay. Ana mushu great number of ning keyiniga keyiniga zodi qanday narsani qisqartirsa nima dersanglar? Farqini masalan the number of the number of and then keyiniga endi masalan ko'pligini qatqanda mushu fe'llarniki skill deganda ma'noga tegadi. Masalan a great number of students and a great number of students mush a bilan boshlangan bo'lsa, mana ko'pincha ko'plik deb sanaladi. A great number of students are playing football on the playground. Demakchi, maydonda nurg'un o'quvchilar qanday qiladi? Futbol o'ynayapti. Mushari great degan zo'r, ulug', g'oyat zo'r degan gap. Qanday number sandiki. Demakchi, nurg'un o'quvchilar qanday qiladi? Futbol o'ynaydi. Endi yana bir ahvol nima desam, the number of. And the other the number of. And the number of students mana bo'lsa nima desam, buni taq deb sanaymiz. The number of the students in our class in the school is 2000. And bir shariki the number of demakchi, the number deganimiz shu soni shunami? Bir narsani soni ishkimi? Demakchi, endi son degan narsa bo'lgan ekan, ya'ni egisi. Qanday qilib o'rsanlar, bu 3-shaxs birlik bo'ladi bolalar. The number. And a number of students deganimiz, a number of students oldida qanday olib keldi o'rsanlar, bu haqiqiy nima bo'ladi? Students degani bo'ladi. Shu ham demaylik egisi. O'quvchilar, shunami? O'quvchilar. Endi men oldirgan number of degan shu oldirib keldi. Hamda shunday uchun nurg'un degan ma'nosi bo'lgan number of students. Endi mana ikkinchi the number of deganimiz nima dersanglar, bu soni. Endi birisi sifat bo'lgan bo'lsa, okay, mana tegidikisi nima dersanglar, bu sonni ko'rsatadi ism. Shu ham yerga is kelgan gap, is 2000. Xo'sh, endi mana practice qilib qarang. A great number of students buni qasdlaymiz. Buni are shunami? Nurg'un o'quvchilar agar BP deb qo'ysa. Endi mush have has o'qib qasdlaymiz tanlaymiz. Okay. B. Now, a great number of students have returned from abroad. And the misharika exists students. O'quvchilar ko'plik bo'lgan ekan, nima ham tanlaymiz. Ana keyingisi qaranglar. The number of kangaroos in the picture nima? Nima bo'lishi kerak? Are, is, was, drive. Qaysini tanlaysizlar? Tanlab beringlar. Okay, shunday. Is shunami? Is. Okay. So, have you ever gone to, been to, come to, came to? Nima? Berib baqqanmi deganicha? Qarshında alayımız. Have you ever been to Beijing? Okay, look. That man looked like Mr. Tom. It can't be him. Nima? He has gone abroad, gone to Japan. O çok mümkün emas unda bo'lishi. Chunki u nima ketgan? Yaponiyaga ketgan. Shunday he has gone demakchi u yerda yo'q, u yerda ketdi, qaytib kelmadi, shundan mumkin emas degan. Alright, amsalda qaranglar. Odatda mana shunga o'xshash. Men even juda, masalan, has your brother ever been abroad before? Musho even juda ever keladi and the following juda desanglar. My brother has been abroad before. And the misharik nima? Never been abroad before. And the never degan inkor ma'nosi keldi. Mush ever deganimiz ilgirki ma'lum bir vaqt, har qanday vaqt demakchi burun manda qilib baqqanmi. Ya'ni has your brother ever been abroad before? Akınız şöyle berib baqqanmi degandek. Xo'sh, shamsa nima? Up to now, up till now, so far, by now. Bularning hammasi nima desanglar, hozirgacha degan gap. Masalan, they have eaten 100 pineapples until now. Ular hozirgacha 100 tal ananas bo'ldi deb qo'yamiz-ku, shu pineapple ni yeb etdi. Masalan, they have eaten 100 apples up to now. Yoki they have eaten 100 pineapples up till now. They have eaten 100 pineapples so far. They have eaten 100 pineapples by now. Demakchi hozirgacha demakchi o'shani up to now, up till now, so far, by now deganlarning hammasi mishara g'acha hozirgacha. Xo'sh, hamsa men birinchisi qaranglar. I at this school for 20 years. Okay, and the name is I have studied at this school. Number 5. You don't have to drive him home. Okay. He has already left. Okay. Okay. Alright, sağlaşlar. Şu bugünkü dersimiz müşahideci bo'lsin. Andaqda topshiriq cho'qim tekstni yodlanglar. So'zlikni 20 qatimdan ko'chirib yozinglar. Undan keyin mo'shnadan chiqqan grammatik nuqtalarini bo'lsa intayin yaxshi bir xotirlab, muhim narsalarni xotirlab, xotir qoldirib olsanglar. Biz keyingi darsimizda 5-dars no wrong numbers degan tekstni o'qiymiz. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.